Remember to keep that good trigger stroke consistent in and out, and do a reload for us, Matt.
All right.
So you want to punch through and then hang on to that. There you go. That's it, yep. And then flip the gun, rotate the gun over like a basketball, kind of like you have a basketball in your hand, and just push that in. There you go. Just push it in and drop it. And you just reloaded a revolver. Did that feel a little bit smoother and things?
Much smoother.
Much smoother. And
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly smoother. It actually feels good to do it that way.
Yeah, it did.
Boy, you guys are going in for a treat when we bring Grant Cunningham here in February. So get on the Phoenix Firearms website and get signed up, guys. Put a smile on your face.